My name's Calum Drummond and I'm the Deputy Vice-Chancellor for Research and Innovation at RMIT, and I'm also a Research Professor in Physical Chemistry and Materials Science. My area of science is all about studying materials at a fundamental level, at the atomistic level and the molecular level, and with that understanding you can then potentially develop new applications for the materials. My research has been all about developing porous materials for energy storage, so improving the amount of power and the amount of energy that you have in things like batteries, in capacitors, and the other area is drug delivery, so the movement of bioactive materials in and out of porous materials. Well, most of the world around us is based on materials, and most of the advancement in science, at least from a science and technology perspective, is related to the development of new materials. So by developing new materials, you're assisting your community to advance, to progress, to improve the quality of life of the people that are important to you. I've always just had an innate curiosity, and that's what drove me towards science from a very early age, because it allowed me to satisfy that innate curiosity. It allowed me to discover things about the world around me. And when I was at university, I had one lecturer who was particularly inspiring, a person called Professor Tom Healy, and he gave me the drive to pursue the particular area in science that I'm now currently pursuing. Being a recipient of this award makes me feel humble, but it also, there's a pleasing aspect into it, that it's actually an award which demonstrates that my peers have recognised what I've done in the area. I've always throughout my career been focused on delivering national benefit, and this award is specifically for contributions to the economic advancement of Australia. So having that type of recognition which recognises that I've contributed benefit to Australia is important to me as well.